Are you struggling to keep track of your leads and target them effectively? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transform your lead management by organizing your leads like a pro using tags and filters in GoHighLevel. So, let's get started. On your dashboard, head to the Contacts section in the left sidebar. Select the leads you want to organize by checking the box next to their names. At the top, click the action buttons and choose Add Tag. Enter the action name. Next, create a new tag or use an existing tag. Once done, hit Add Tags to save. Once you've tagged your leads, you can filter them easily. Click on the Filter button at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Tag. Type in the tag you want to use for filtering and tap Apply. To create lead segments based on your tags, go to the Smart Lists tab. Click More Filters and define the filter conditions using tags. This helps you save specific lead groups for future campaigns. Ready to skyrocket your lead organization and efficiency? Sign up for your 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel now. And don't forget to schedule your kickoff call. All the links you need are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching.